Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel. And these readings are for the week of July 21 to 27. So let's start. Powerhouse ang ating Sagittarius this week. Okay. I'm seeing here that you'll be calling the shots about a certain project siguro na you're leading. And nakikita ko rin na you'll be manifesting things as planned. So, walang parang mga loopholes from the universe na hindi ito mangyayari or may mangyayaring alternative. It's really your plan and it's really panning out properly. Okay, so get ready to bring out the change that you've been visioning for other people, and bring your dream into a reality for you and your community. Yes, and this has been your reading for this week. Next week, balik ulit kayo. Abangan ninyo yung next na reading natin. And like, subscribe, follow me here on TikTok and on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.